Next, let's talk about the AWS Spot instances. AWS has a huge infrastructure with large pool of computing resources and not all of them are being used at the same time. AWS wants to increase the utilization of their existing and unused computing infrastructure by providing the instances at lower prices to its customer. AWS Spot instances allow you to bid on spare Amazon EC2 computing capacity and receive it on a discounted price compared to the on-demand prices. Spot instances offer a flexible and scalable solution for handling the unpredictable workloads. The Spot instances can provide up to 90% in discount over on-demand pricing. Now, with this, there is a market price for instance types per availability zone, and this is called the spot price. AWS Spot instances can be interrupted by Amazon at any time if the spot price exceed the customer's bid price. Now, it's not instant. You do get a 2 minutes prior to the termination. What that means is this will only work for workloads that can start and stop without affecting what you are trying to do. So if that's your case, you can get great saving by using these spot instances. For example, imagine you are running a website that experiences fluctuations in the traffic. During period of the high traffic, you need more computing resources to handle the increased demand. But during the period of the low traffic, you don't need as many resources. One solution to manage this fluctuation in computing resources is to use the AWS Spot instances. You could set up a bid price for the desired instance type and specify the maximum prices you are willing to pay. If your bid price is higher than the current spot price, your instance will be allocated. During period of the high traffic, if the spot price exceed your bid price, your instance may be terminated. However, you can set up the EC2 auto scaling group to automatically launch a new spot instance to replace the terminated one, ensuring that your website is remains available to the users.